Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself. I'm Samia Kaval. I'm working in Town International Academy as a prep class teacher. This is our maths lecture of C4. Welcome to all of you. Let's start our day. How we start our day? In the name of Allah Ta'ala. So everyone raise your hand for dua for learning. That is, Rabbi Zidni Ilma. O Allah, increase us in knowledge. Ameen. What you need for today's lesson? Look at my screen. The first one is your maths workbook C4. Then one pencil and eraser. And some colors. Make sure you have all these things near to you so that you can do your work easily. What are the objectives? What you are going to learn today? The first one is recognize Pakistani currency. Identify and add the values of coins and notes. So let's learn about the currency of Pakistan. Look at my screen, page number 33, unit number 5, maths workbook C4, and page number 33, 3333. Everyone open it. Before doing this page, what you have to do? Exactly, you have to write today's date. And what is the date today? Look at my screen. The date is 15.2.2021, space H.T, again space, and the day is Monday. M should be capital in Monday. And where you are going to write? Top of the page. My arrow is telling you. After writing date, what you have to do? Look at the activity 5.1, and this is about coins and notes. We are going to learn about the currency of Pakistan. We will learn about money. But they are asking, cross the coins and notes that are not used in Pakistan. So we need to find out the Pakistani currency. So the first one is, look at the first one. There is a coin of 5 rupees. First of all, tell me the currency of Pakistan. Yes, the currency of Pakistan is rupees. We always use rupees in Pakistan. And then, so here is a coin of 5 rupees. This is the Pakistani currency. What they asked is cross the coins and notes that are not used. So we need to find out which we cannot use in Pakistan. We have to cross them. So the next coin is, look at this coin. The recognition of coin in currency of Pakistan is, there is a picture of Quaid-e-Azam. You can see here is a note of 10 rupees and there is a picture of Quaid-e-Azam. This is the sign of Pakistani currency as well. You can find, you can recognize the Pakistani currency easily. So there is no picture of Quaid-e-Azam, so we are going to cross it. The second one, coin. Cross this coin. Come on the next one. There is a note of 10 rupees. And we're not going to cross it because this is the Pakistani currency. Come on the next one. Here is a coin of 1 rupee. So we are not going to cross it because there is written 1 rupee. I told you the Pakistani currency is rupees, so we are not going to cross it. Come on the next one. There is a note of 20 rupees and here is a picture of Quaid-e-Azam. This is also Pakistani currency. Come on the next one. Yes, this is the different. This is not Pakistani currency, so we are going to cross it. Cross this note like me. Come on the next one. Next two, both are not Pakistani currency, so I am going to cross them. And the next one, in the last row, there is a note of 50 rupees. Can you see? Here is written 5050. And here is a picture of Quaid-e-Azam. So this is the Pakistani currency. I'm not going to cross it. Come on the next one. Some coins are here. Coin of 2 rupee. The next one is 1 penny. This is not Pakistani currency, so I'm going to cross next to coins like this. Come on the next page. Page number 34, unit number 5 and maths workbook C4. Everyone open page 34, 34. You have to write the same date 15.2.2021. Space H.T again space and the day is Monday. M should be capital in Monday, and where you are going to write top of the page, and then after writing date you have to complete your number line. Which numbers are missing? Look at the line. In the last there is written 40. So you have to write the numbers before 40. Start from 31, 31, then 32, then 33, then 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and then 40. Complete your number line. After completing it, you have to do your activity 5.2, and they are asking how much is there. What we have to do, circle the correct answer. Here are given some money, some notes, some coins. We have to add them, and we have to find the correct answer and circle it. In a first box, you can see there are 8 boxes. I'm starting from here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins of 1 rupee. So if we add them, what we get in answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add them together, then we will get number 5, RS5. So circle RS5. RS stands for rupees, Pakistani rupees, Pakistani currency. So circle RS5. Come on the next box. Now here are coins of 2 rupees, and there are 3 coins, 1, 2, 3. If we add 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to which number we are getting? You can use loose sheet for rough work. You can add them, you can make lines on a rough paper, and then you can get your answer. It will be more easy for you. 2 plus 2 plus 2, or even you can make two lines on the given coins. Then if we add 2 plus 2 plus 2, then we are getting number 6, RS6. Circle RS6. Come on the next one. Here are some notes of 10 rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 notes of 10 rupees. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. We are adding 10 5 times. Then we are getting money RS50. So circle RS50. In the next one, there are 2 notes of 50 rupees. 5050. You can see there is written 5050. 50 plus 50. Then we are getting RS100. Circle RS100 like me. Come on the next one. There is a coin of 5 rupees. Then 2 plus 2 plus 1. If we are going to add them, 5, 2 plus 2 plus 2, then we are getting plus 1. And then you will get RS10. Circle RS10. Next one is, there is a note of 50, then 20, then 10. 50 plus 20 plus 10 is equal to 80. Circle RS80. The next one is, there is a note of 20, then 10, then there is a coin of 5, and there is a coin of 2. If you are going to add them, 20 plus 10 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to RS37. Circle R as 37. And the last one is, there is a note of 20 plus 5 plus 5 plus 1. 20 plus 5, 35 plus 5, 40. And then, sorry, 20 plus 5 is equal to 25, then 30, then 1 is equal to 31. Circle R as 31. You can do it practically. You need to take some money, some coins, some notes, and you can do this with your money as well, so that you can get this concept better. This is all about today's lecture. I hope you will enjoy it. It is a new concept for you, and stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. See you tomorrow in our live session, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.